enjoy the experience together as a unit.
Okay. But I mean, I'm gonna keep filming, right? That's what YouTubers do.
Look like I'm gonna take a poop.
So,
I'm on such a good roll today. I've gotten so much done. Sorry. Sorry.
okay, I'm pulling. Oh, I don't know if you guys just heard this, but Olivia did just fart on camera.